Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of meal kit services with a focus on organic and healthy options. Green Chef is on the menu, and we'll find out if it's worth the price tag. So, let's get started. Green Chef is all about delivering easy, healthy, and organic meal kits to your doorstep. They offer a variety of plans, including plant-powered, balanced living, and carb-easy, which is keto and paleo-friendly. If you're into organic and designer diets like keto or paleo, Green Chef aims to cater to your needs. Ordering from Green Chef is straightforward. You choose your plan, number of meals, and servings per meal. Then, you pick your meals for the following week, and a box arrives at your doorstep on the chosen delivery date. Green Chef ships to almost every U.S. zip code, except for a few exceptions. The Green Chef meal kits are filled with organic vegetables, lean meats, and lighter sauces. They have a good variety of fish and seafood options, making it appealing for health-conscious eaters. However, some meal options may seem safe and familiar to most American eaters. The flavors in Green Chef's meal kits are generally familiar and cater to a wide audience. While some meals tasted great, others may have seemed strange or lacking that wow factor. Heat and Latin flavors are prominent in many of their dishes, such as chimichurri, lime, and Mexican spice. One thing to consider is that you're limited to the meals within your chosen plan. So, if you go for the plant-powered plan, that's what you get. However, there are vegetarian options within the keto and balanced plans, providing some flexibility. Green Chef meal kits are generally simple to prepare, taking less than 30 minutes in most cases. There are a few more involved recipes, but nothing overly complicated. You don't need extensive cooking experience to enjoy these meals. I tried a few Green Chef meals myself. The pecan-crusted trout with lemon caper sauce and the mushroom and black bean enchiladas with chimichurri sauce were winners. The acho lime sweet potato bowls were a delightful plant-based option. However, the roasted chicken with lemon crema and the Caribbean shrimp with coconut rice had some room for improvement. In conclusion, Green Chef offers a variety of organic and healthy meal options, making it a top choice for those seeking a conscious dining experience. The focus on organic ingredients and the commitment to sustainability are commendable. However, compared to other meal kit services, Green Chef falls on the more expensive end, so keep that in mind when making your choice. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into the latest products. We'll see you next time.